HD Foley library is a high-definition set of 11,544 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata. And each HD Foley hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From castle doors to wooden gates, cigarette cases to zipper jackets, high-heeled shoes to running shoes, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed. So here we go. The HD Foley library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Foley library available only from Sound Ideas.